We can work on those two platforms, workup job and micro workers. Using mobile hop proxy, we here you can do many things using proxy mobilehop.com. We use mobile hop proxy, http socks 5 4G 5G proxy. I took proxy for 1 month, $25. Mobile hop proxy will work very well. Micro workers, it would be great if you will the cold world and work and very well. Registrations, click here. Workup job, email address, user and password, trademark, create password, please confirm verification email. Okay, micro workers job registration, click here, and first name, middle name, last name, gender, company, date of birth, email, password. Okay, and address, all from fill-ups, zip code, city, state, religion. Submit here. And second step, email verification. Okay, first name Borson, middle name optional, last name Das, gender male, date of birth, okay, password, address, my proxy address United States of America. So address, same address from fill off. Okay, IP address, check here. San Diego, California. San Diego, California address, San Diego. Okay. Submit. Okay, California shortcut CA. Okay, done. And your password is very strong. If you are okay, strong password. Done. And email verification, of course. Copy link address and paste here email. And click here to activate your account. My account is activate. Micro workers job done. Activate my account using mobile hop proxy account. Okay, enable. Deposit, withdraw, deposit, card, Visa, others, withdraw, bank, PayPal, Ethereum, Bitcoins, others, jobs, many jobs using proxy. Set up the proxy for jobs, many jobs. You can see page visit 0.13 cent page visit. using mobile hop proxy is very good and fasted proxy. Mobile hop is very good proxy. Thank you so much.